Hi guys! No, okay, no really. Hi guys, this is Mac Tech Tic Tac, and today we're doing a toy video with Amee. We're setting up, she's cutting dolls' hairs.
We don't want to show our faces because we just woke up like an hour ago.
Yeah, so...
And we look really ugly, so yeah.
So yeah, we'll be right back with you. Okay.
We are in my basement in a room.
So here's like a singer. Her name is.
And here's this random lady without any clothes on.
Okay, so this is a singer. Her name is
starving.
Her name is not. I'm starving. So her name is Casta, Fierce, and Claudine.
And this girl that just cut her hair.
And Spectra. All these three dolls.
Oh wow, that's beautiful. I'm just kidding. Look at that.
All these three are mine. I just got them like yesterday from Amee.
Quadrilateral.
But yeah, basically, this is like our setup.
Scissors!
No! And Amee officially cut the camera. Get it? Like cut. Okay.
Cut it! Cut it!
Cut it off! Oh shoot! I almost showed my face.
Oh no! It almost showed my face. Here, show the doll's face instead.
Oh! Woo! I know I'm acting weird.
Quadrilateral.
I showed part of my face. No, it's fine. It's only part. You don't want to see my full face.
I'm so ugly right now. Like, I don't have any makeup. I'm just kidding. I don't have makeup.
No, don't show. Is this the angle? I don't freaking care. I'm sorry.
I'm not moving the arm.
Let me see. No, her hair got all messed up just because of you.
No, because of you. You're pugging on it.
I
said pugging on it.
We pug?
I'm starving to death. Like, I'm dead right now.
Are we even going to do a toy video?
I'm going to pee. I mean, I'm not.
She's not. But yeah, we're just setting up and we'll be right back.
Do it.
Hunger. She's ugly. Why is lights glowing from your butt?
Fluffy Doges.
TikTok.
Quadrilateral.
Oh, mine is Spectra. I'm sorry. It's so fine, okay? Nothing to worry about here. Here is Casta Fierce. I think that is what her name is called.
Yeah.
She's pretty cool. She's pretty cool. And here's Claudine. All these other figures came with accessories. I just have them like stashed somewhere over here.
All these other figures came with accessories? What figures? They're dolls, not figures.
Well, it's also figures.
Figures.
Fig bar.
Quadrilateral. Quadrilateral. Quadrilateral.
Ow! Ow! I hurt my toe! Ow! I hope we become a vine.
And we're gonna go upstairs to get some food.
Here's a quick check of my hair. It's ugly.
In my forehead.
My
eyes.
Here's my glasses. See my vision. See my vision.
See the dog's vision. Wait.
No, actually see my vision.
Oh, it's on my face.
It's fine. See my vision! again.
Okay, this is not a doll video anymore. We're just doing random stuff. So
Yeah, see, look at my vision. It's so great.
I want to go get some food.
You might not have the same prescription as me.
Can we go get some food? I want to get some food.
Yeah, here's my vision. It's on my way. Okay, so it's gonna be boring. So this is not a toy video anymore.
Keep the video playing.
No, that'll be like 100 minutes.
I don't care.
Then we'll show all faces.
This struggle is real.
I'll be right back. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, guys. I give up. I give up. bad. Are you sure we're gonna post this? There'll be so many dislikes.
Yeah.
Okay, should we end it? I can't record videos up to 14 minutes.
Okay. Bye-bye.
Bye.